Oh, it's time to go home. Oh, oh, I just married. Hi, Malala. So it's currently after class right now, and I'm heading home, and it's still raining. Good morning, Balala. How are you guys? Welcome to a new video upload. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. For my old subbies, welcome. And then for people that are just passing by or that are new to the family, welcome, guys. So I just woke up and it's currently 10:30. I don't really like this view or this side or the lighting or anything. But anyways, so I just woke up and I still need to catch up on a lot of my notes. So I'm planning on going to school today. I don't have any classes, but I want to go to the library, and then I still need to go to what's this called, to the shops. I haven't even bought Munchie's Valentine present yet. I know Valentine present, like Valentine's Day already passed, but I still need to get him a gift because when we meet, what's this called, I'm gonna need to give him a gift, his gift actually. And then yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know why my voice sounds like this. It sounds very deep. I used to have a deep voice, now I don't, but I just don't get it. Maybe it's the weather, or it's because I just woke up. But then yeah, I just hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I couldn't talk to you guys yesterday, like I didn't even think I'd go to school. Everything yesterday was done in a hurry, guys, But anyways, let me make my bed and just get ready for school, because like I have like 30 minutes to get ready. And yeah. So I left the library right now, and I didn't even stay that long. I stayed for an hour or so, and then I'm heading to Campus Square. Look at the bag. Isn't it gorgeous? Like, it's just plain black. Oh. Banana. So I'm currently in the fitting room right now. As you guys can see, I'm fitting these two. Let me show you. These two things that I got. I think they might look nice. I want to fit them. And by the way, I can't see anything for Munchie. Like, I cannot get anything for him. just got back from Campus Square. I am absolutely tired, but I wanna show you guys what I got, and then yeah, just take a nap, take a nap, and then wake up and finish up my notes, and then prepare for my text tutorial, because I have a tutorial coming up at 7:30, so I need to get that done. I just need to catch up on my work, okay? Yeah, because I'm so stressed, guys. I don't want to fall behind. I want to make sure that I'm ahead, but I'm already behind. Okay, so now maybe like it's all when I'm gym. Like it's all but I feel like I'm just lazy. If I work, I'm gonna use this weekend to work. I'm gonna use this weekend to work. I'm gonna make sure that Thursday, Friday I'm working, and then what's this called? Saturday maybe I'm gonna take a break. But anyways, let me quickly show you what I got. By the way, it's not from Sports Scene, or yeah, it's not from there. I got something from there, but I don't think I want to show you, yeah, because it's for my guys. Yeah, that's what I said. I said I'm gonna go there to get something for him. So yeah, I finally found one. It's a beautiful, I think it's a sweater. So I got this. I bought this, guys. You guys saw me fitting it. I love it. And I only got it for 139. So I love it so much. It looks so cute. Honestly. And then I went to Pep I went to Pep to buy this. And then I got these things. I saw this lip gloss. Yes, I got this lip gloss. I prefer these type than lip therapy and sana. But this one is also worse. Oh yeah, and then I got these 2 chocolates. This is my favorite chocolate, but not this flavor. Peppermint. Yes. And then I got Bawan. I love Bawan. Any Bawan which I love. And PS. And then I got this. It's a brown. Is it a lip liner or is it an eyeliner? Yes, it's an eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it for my lips. Yeah, that's all I got. Hi, Balala. So I just came back from school. Am I not exhausted? I am really exhausted. I'm so tired. I just got back. Look, took off the hair. I just couldn't take it anymore. I want to take off this shirt, this bra, this jean, and just get in my bed, you know? But before I do all that, I just wanted to end the vlog and just say that I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, or rather you guys enjoyed it, because this is going to be at the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and enough for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe.